This video is going to demonstrate how we use Google Sheets within the Synatic environment. To do that properly, I'm going to create a flow which will use Google Sheet as a source step. So you click on that button there to create a step, and then you search for Google Sheet. There it is there. And then the next step is to create a connection. To do that, click on the Create a Connection button. You need to provide a connection name. You can just name it Google Auth Verification. Log on to Google Sheets button, and then click on the Login to Google Sheets button again. This step here is where you choose the account that you'd like to continue using. I'm going to be using my account, but before that, I just want to show you the client ID. When I highlight it there, that's the client ID over there. So like I said, I'm going to be using my account, so I can just continue by clicking on my account. This step, we need to click on the advanced so we can continue, seeing as the app is not verified. So click there to continue. And this shows the scope that's required. So we need to be able to see, create, delete all Google Sheets, spreadsheets. That's the scope there. And I can continue. And then as soon as it's done, I should get a successful message. As you see there, successfully connected to Google Sheets. And I'll close this tab. And again, when I return to the Synatic environment, it shows me that I've been connected to Google Sheets successfully. And then I can now save this connection there. The next step is to get the information from the worksheet that's on Google Sheet. I have it open this side. So I need to copy the URL there. And that's why I press, I copy it here under the spreadsheet ID, as well as the sheet name. So that name there, I copy it over there, and then I can save this step. From then on, I'm going to save this information in a buffer. So a buffer is what we use. It's a database that we use to store information, and it's MongoDB. So I had already created a buffer for this demonstration. So I'm going to select there. That's where the database will store the information there. So I can test this quickly, and the information has been stored on the database. That's it there. Just going to show side-by-side view of this together with the Google Sheets data there. Oh, there it is over there. You can just go full screen, and then you can see that that information that was on the sheet is now stored on our database.